This video shows how to buy shares of Elixirr International Plc, a UK consulting and strategy firm listed on LSE plc under the ticker ELIX.L. This is educational content only and not financial advice. Always research and understand the risks before investing. To buy shares, you need a broker, and here we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search and enter the official ticker ELIX.L to find the listing. Select the result that shows Elixirr International Plc on LSE plc to ensure it is the correct stock. From the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart so you can confirm the asset. Check the company description and the ELIX.L ticker to make sure you are on the right page. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Choose the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order carefully. If the market is closed, your order will typically execute when the market reopens. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after execution, where you can monitor it. For convenience, a link to eToro is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this example.